Hello boys and girls of grade 5. I am Miss Martina Artusempo, and for our science lesson today we would be looking at care of the eye. At the end of our lesson today, we would be able to identify ways in which we can care for our eyes, explain how the eye enables us to see objects, identify eye protectors, and how the eye sees. What are eye protectors? A bony socket, eyelashes that trap dust particles, tears that washes its surface, eyelid that prevents objects from entering the eye, eyebrows that prevent sweat from the eyes. How do we see? Step 1. Light reflected from objects enters the eye through an opening in the iris called the pupil. In bright light, it gets smaller, and dim light, it opens wider to allow more light. Step 2. Behind the pupil, inside the eye, the light passes through a lens. Step 3. The lens bends the light and focuses the image upside down on the retina at the back of the eye. Step 4. The optic sends the message to the brain. Step 5. The brain rearranges the images so that we see right side up. Ways to care the eyes every day. 1. Avoid rubbing eyes. When we talk about rubbing eyes, the hands are exposed to a lot of dirt, dust, and bacteria, and all these can easily transferred to your peepers each time you touch or rub them. So avoid putting your hands to your eyes to prevent infection and irritation. If the habit is so ingrained on you, make an effort to get rid of it as soon as possible. 2. Practice frequent hand washing. Wash your hands regularly to keep bacteria at bay and prevent them from getting in contact with your eyes, eyeglasses, or contact lenses. Number 3. Protect your eyes from the sun. Exposure to sunlight and UV rays increases your risk for age-related macular degeneration and may cause cornea sunburn. So aside from making a fashion statement and adding oomph to your overall look, put on those sunglasses to protect your eyes. If wearing them is not up your alley, UV protected sunglasses or contact lenses will do. Putting on caps, visors, and hats are also advisable. 4. Stay hydrated. Sufficient fluid intake is essential to your body's overall well-being, including the eyes. If you're hydrated enough, you prevent your eyes from getting dry and irritated. Number 5. Don't smoke. Smoking makes you more susceptible to age-related macular degeneration and other eye conditions such as cataract. Smoking can also damage the optic nerves, which can have adverse effects on your vision over time. Number 6. Keep a balanced diet. Omega-3 and vitamins C, A, and E are essential for maintaining your eye health. Make sure that your diet is infused with different foods that are rich in those nutrients. Number 7. Keep proper monitor distance and room lighting. Computer monitors should be positioned about an arm's length away from the eyes and 20 degrees below eye level. This keeps your eyes from getting strained. Likewise, make sure that you have sufficient but diffuse lighting in your room. Focused and too bright lights may result to glare, and this can put too much stress on the eyes. Number 8, observe the 20-20-20 rule. If you want to keep your eyes in great shape, you should adhere to the 20-20-20 rule, which states that every 20 minutes, look away from your computer monitor and fix your gaze on an object that's 20 feet away from you. Blink 20 consecutive times to prevent eye dryness. Yes. Every 20 minutes, get out of your seat and take 20 steps. This is not just good for your vision, but also promotes proper posture and blood circulation throughout the body. Yes, it keeps you from being sedentary too. Number 9, get enough sleep. Just like the rest of your body, your eyes need to recharge too. And this happens while you sleep. So make sure that you get sufficient shut-eye each day to keep your eyes revitalized and healthy. Number 10, wear the appropriate eye safety gear for different activities. No matter what you do, make sure that your eyes are protected. If you're going swimming, wear goggles to avoid exposing your eyes to chlorine. Meanwhile, if you are gardening or attending to a DIY project at home, put on safety glasses to protect your eyes from dust particles, bacteria, and injuries. Number 11, keep your surroundings clean. Exposures to dirt and dust can irritate the eyes. So ensure that the places you frequent are well maintained and clean. Change your linens and towels regularly and keep your workstation clutter-free. Our eyes, the importance of our eyes. Our eyes are very, very important. In caring them, we should do the following. 1, never rub the eyes with hands. In bright light, protect eyes with sunglasses. If you do not see things clearly, have your eyes tested. If you need to wear spectacles, then wear them. Do not wear someone else's eyeglasses. Rest the eye occasionally when reading, watching television, or working on the computer for long periods of time. Do not read in moving vehicles. Do not read in moving vehicles. When objects or harmful liquid get into the eye, wash it with running water or remove the object with a clean cloth. Now, this would have brought us to the end of our lesson for today. Boys and girls, I hope you would have learned how we can take care of our eyes a little more. I am Miss Martina Archer Semple saying so long for now. Bye.